First impressions matter, and when it comes to your Rockford home, the front door is one of the first features visitors notice. A door is more than just a functional entry, it's a statement about your home's style and character. With so many design options available, upgrading to a modern door is one of the easiest and most effective ways to enhance curb appeal. For Rockford homeowners looking to make their properties stand out, here's how modern door designs can elevate your home's exterior. Clean lines and sleek aesthetics. Modern door designs are known for their simplicity and elegance. Unlike traditional doors with heavy detailing, modern options often feature clean lines, minimal embellishments, and smooth finishes. Flat panels. A streamlined look that pairs well with both contemporary and transitional home styles. Neutral tones or bold colors. Modern doors can complement your home's palette or create a striking focal point. Matte finishes. Popular in today's design trends, offering a polished yet understated look. This sleek style enhances your home's architecture and gives it a fresh, updated appearance. Incorporating glass for light and style. Glass elements are a hallmark of modern door design. Adding glass panels creates both functionality and visual interest. Vertical or horizontal panes provide a contemporary edge while allowing natural light into your entryway. Frosted or tinted glass balances privacy with brightness. Full glass doors with steel or fiberglass frames, perfect for Rockford homeowners who want to maximize natural light without sacrificing security. Glass inserts make your entryway feel more inviting and add sophistication to your curb appeal. Bold color choices that stand out. Modern doors often feature bold, vibrant colors that create a focal point for your home's exterior. Classic black or charcoal, timeless and elegant. Bright red or deep blue adds personality and charm. Earthy greens or desert-inspired tones complements Rockford's Midwest landscapes. A bold front door color draws the eye and instantly boosts curb appeal while reflecting your personal style. Durable materials that withstand Rockford weather. Modern doors are designed with durability in mind, making them both stylish and practical for Rockford's changing seasons. Fiberglass doors resist warping, rotting, and weather damage. Steel doors offer superior strength and security while maintaining sleek design. Engineered wood doors provide the warmth of wood with modern finishes and better resistance to wear. These materials not only maintain their beauty over time but also reduce maintenance needs, keeping your home looking fresh longer. Smart features with modern appeal. Modern design doesn't stop at aesthetics, it also incorporates technology. Many modern doors are compatible with smart locks and video doorbells, adding convenience and a high-tech edge to your home. For Rockford families, this combination of security and style adds both practical and visual appeal, showing that your home is both modern and welcoming. Complementing the overall architecture, modern doors are versatile enough to work with various architectural styles. Whether you live in a mid-century home, a contemporary build, or even a traditional Rockford property, a modern door can enhance its appearance. Minimalist designs blend with modern architecture. Glass and wood combinations update traditional homes without clashing. Custom hardware and finishes allow you to tie the door into your home's overall design. This flexibility makes modern doors a go-to choice for homeowners looking to balance function and style. Final thoughts for Rockford homeowners: a front door upgrade is more than just a functional improvement, it's a chance to transform curb appeal. Modern door designs bring together clean lines, glass elements, bold colors, durable materials, and even smart technology to create a striking entryway. Whether you're preparing to sell your home or simply want to refresh its look, a modern door instantly signals style, quality, and attention to detail. With the right choice and professional installation, your home will stand out in the neighborhood and welcome guests with a touch of modern elegance.